So today we're checking out the new TicWatch Pro 5 smartwatch by Mobboy. I want to thank them for sending this over to review on the channel. Current price is $349.99, but I'll leave a link down below with current pricing and more information. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, I believe this is the first smartwatch that's got the Snapdragon W5 Plus Gen 1 processor. It's got the latest version of Wear OS by Google. It's got 2 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage, and now it's got fast charging where you can get 65% battery life in only 30 minutes. This one's got a 1.43-inch ultra low power OLED display. This one also has a rotating crown there on the side. They're advertising up to 80 hours battery life. It's got built-in GPS, 5 ATM water resistance. This one also has NFC with Google Pay, built-in compass and barometer. It's also military standard 810H, built-in microphone and speaker. Also has smart training with recovery time and VO2 max. Sleep tracking, 24-hour heart rate monitor. Also has over 100 workout modes on here. Smart notifications. They definitely pack in a lot of features with this watch. Also has over 1,000 watch faces. Okay, looks pretty nice here in person. Okay, pretty decent length here on the charging cable. I kind of wish it was just a flat charger though, like you see with Samsung or the Pixel Watch. You've got the quick start guide, product safety information. Definitely looks a little bigger than my Pixel Watch. Just a quick size comparison, it's pretty similar in size to the Amazfit GTR 4, my Galaxy Watch 4, the Fitbit Versa 4, and the Pixel Watch is going to be a little bit smaller. Interesting, as soon as I start my phone up, it sees I'm trying to pair this. Okay, it looks pretty simple to connect to my phone here. You can also set up a screen lock for your watch if you want. You can go ahead and choose which apps you want to use. It's also going to show you how to use the watch, very similar to other Wear OS watches. You press the crown to go back. To switch to the last used app, you can double tap the crown and restart menu, press and hold the side button. And that's pretty much it as far as setup goes. Pretty easy to do. Basically step by step, you just follow what it says on the screen. Hold down on the watch face to choose different ones. It's kind of hard to see in the video, but you can see the always on display there as well. And here's what it looks like when you connect the charger. When you swipe down, you get your shortcuts for airplane mode. Also has Find My Phone. Your screen brightness also has adaptive brightness. You've also got theater mode, bedtime mode, essential mode settings, where you can switch to essential mode or auto switch by a schedule, or auto switch by using the battery level. Notifications when you swipe up from the bottom. You can also turn the ring on and off. Under settings, you've got connectivity, display, gestures, apps and notifications, Google, sound, vibration, general, health profile, location, accessibility, security, and system. Now, when you swipe left and right to go through the tiles, again, very similar to other Wear OS watches, get your weather, stats, heart rate, calendar, timer. Then depending on which button you hit, you're gonna have several options here. You got settings, essential mode settings, system update, Tic exercise, Tic health, Tic sleep, YouTube music, and then all apps. When you press on the crown, you've got agenda, alarm, calculator, contacts, essential mode settings, Find My Phone, flashlight, Google Wallet, hand watch timer, maps, media controls, messages, privacy, treadmill, one-tap measurement, phone, Play Store, settings, Spotify, stopwatch, Tic barometer, breathe, Tic care, Tic compass, Tic exercise, Tic health, oxygen, pulse, sleep, timer, time show, weather, YouTube music. Like I said, they pack a lot of features into this watch. If you double tap the button at the top, it's gonna bring up Google Pay. Now inside of the app, there's quite a bit of information that you can look at for the day, week, or month to see how you're doing. I feel like they give you plenty of information, and the sleep time seems pretty accurate as well with this watch. There is one thing that I noticed though that hopefully can be fixed with an update. I noticed when I was comparing this to my Pixel Watch, the amount of steps I was getting with this was way less than the Pixel Watch. Also at first I thought the floors climbed or stairs wasn't working, but apparently it's just delayed a little bit before it shows how many floors you've climbed. One huge advantage on this watch versus my Pixel Watch is the battery life, probably due to the always on display, so you don't always have to wake up the watch to see some of your stats. Normally I have to charge my Pixel Watch every 1 to 2 days depending on how active I am, where with this watch it can easily double or triple that. If you're not real active, I can see this lasting a whole week, especially if you turn off some of the notifications. And even though this watch is quite a bit bigger than my Pixel Watch, it still feels pretty lightweight. Overall, I really like this watch. It's got nice build quality, it's got a nice and large screen, really good battery life, and it's got most of the features people are looking for, with a ton of things that you can adjust on here. So yeah, I do think this is a pretty good Wear OS watch option, as long as they update the software on here to fix how accurate the steps are. I could see this competing with some of the bigger, more popular brands out there. So if you've made it this far into the video, you may want to say thanks by subscribing, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if this video was helpful. This is Brian from Fishbee Productions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.